Good morning, Sebastian. I'm going to try to walk you through this. So I'm happy that I think you've got your file extracted correctly. So I'm going to say open from computer, and I'm inside my packaging mockup. So I'm making sure I'm opening a PSD Photoshop file, making sure I'm not opening a JPEG or a PNG or anything like that. That way I have my smart objects. So this first layer is just the designer's trademark. And then underneath of that, I can see their finished burger box. So I'm not going to necessarily be modifying this text or this text or this text. Heck, I may not even be doing a burger box. I'm getting rid of all the existing text and graphics and everything that are on there. I'm putting my own design on there. So I'm going to open this up. And this is I'll do the top. It's easiest to see. This is the top. So this artwork smart layer right here. This is the one that I want to work with. Now, this particular one does have multiple layers, but essentially I want to turn all those layers off. I could even delete those layers. And this background layer, let's say that I wanted to start with a background that was yellow. I could go ahead, and this is where I would put my text. This is where I'd put my pattern maybe. Like this is where I'm putting all of my creations. And then when I save this as my smart object and come back, it has updated it. So I'm not using any of the existing text layers or any of the existing graphics. I will demonstrate that again. As soon as I go, let's see, that's a hard one to read. I'll do the side. When I go into this layer, I can actually just get rid of everything that's there. And I can go ahead, and if it's easier from a design sense for you to understand that it's all your design, you can change this to white to get started. So you can see if I were to save this right now and go back, that is now white. So hopefully this helps you. Good luck.